My first step on question 20 is to get everything onto one side and 0 on the other. So I want to move that 2 to the left. And then I want to identify my A, B, and C. So A is equal to 9. B is equal to 1 because there's an implied 1 there. And C is equal to 2. So now I'm ready to plug these into the quadratic formula. And then I want to simplify. So x is equal to -1 plus or minus the square root of -71 all over 18. And because I have a negative on the inside of the square root, I want to bring that out as an I. And then I want to split up the fraction. So x is equal to -1 over 18 plus or minus the square root of 71 over 18 times I. And if you wanted to write your answer as two separate answers, this is what it would look like. And one more note about the quadratic formula. It will always get you the answer. So there's no way that we could use factoring to find these answers.